go away once you start running.
My hop off is suddenly just gone, nope, fuck you.
Well, I don't really want to shoot any rounds because I've only got mid caps.
Stay on semi, just be careful.
Well, no, I've got a high cap. I want to steal your magnifier.
Let's just have a look at what the general hop.
Right guys, medics.
Oh no.
You have seen, you have got keys. Right? Sorry, catch my breath there. You have both got keys. Your job is, you can only the medic, now you can change out in your team after through the game if you want to change medics, okay? But you must have the orange band on, and you must have the key, and the exchange must be done back here. Okay?
If I want to swap.
Yeah, not out in the middle of the field, okay guys?
Nobody wants to be a medic, I'm alright.
Right? But the medic is also the detonator, right? Now as Holly explained, over on the other side there, every building got basically a band but it's orange, okay?
Yeah.
Now your job is to get all that band, right? Your scoring is done on those orange bands.
Is that team's job or medic?
Team's job.
Right.
You've got another job coming up, right? Your job is to get that orange band. Shove them on your arm, shove them in your pocket, around your neck, I don't care. Okay, but once you pull the church, that's the end of your game. You can't get any more points than that. Okay guys, you understand that? If you need to go out the game zone, come back to here and walk down that track. Don't cut diagonal across that ditch because we're not pulling it out of the ditch. Right? So come back to here and walk directly down there, barrel soft on, you know the score in there guys. Right? Yep.
This is bullshit though, there's like no cover until the...
I tried to make
Alright, game starts in 3, 2, 1!
Oops, actually. He's over there. There's a dude over there. You see his head poking up between the trees. Watch him. Think we should do a smoke right now? Yeah, just go back, Fraser. Right. We're moving up on the right.
Medic's head!
how's the medic done?
Yeah.
Oh, right there.
What's that? The right side, there's good guys all along the right as well. Right, move. Let's go, come on. Wait.
Medic! Come on, get us! Medic! Quick side, keep going.
Guy moving left.
Go!
Alright guys, move! Oh shit.
Ready to move?
I don't know. The guy in that village just got hit. We got a medic. Alright. I won't say just yet, though. Oh shit. Medic! Get up there!
Medic! Whoa! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second!
Guys! One guy up there by a building on your left. The rest of them are pretty much in the village. Fucking hell. See a guy moving right in front of us.
Is he out there?
We lost our medic on the right side.
Is there guys in that building?
What one? That one. That one there. That's our team there.
So a guy pushing up on the right side, straight ahead, behind that, just in front of that guard tower.
Yeah.
There's a guy in that building straight ahead.
What one? One closest to us.
That one I see right now.
I'll move it. Come in. Oh, there's a guy right over there in that building too. Oh, fuck. Medic! I tell you what, hold on. Get grenades out and ready. Right.
Smoker.
I know. Get grenades ready. So that's 3 thunder flashes right there on the windowsill.
Put mine down here. That's
We can stay.
so I can reach one as well if I have to.
Take some of yours out too.
Medic.
You're a medic?
Yeah.
Oh, thank goodness. Alright, we're going to be holding this whole side, so if you want to stay with us, we appreciate that.
You could be a grenade man.
No, he's a medic, man. You don't want him getting hit.
I mean, you can throw over the building. Right, they're quite far up. On this side.
Yeah, they will be for quite a while.
No, they're quite close now, actually.
Really?
Yeah. So our main support guy on the right's down. We don't want to get him because
Fraser is pretty close. Fuck's sake.
guy close to the floor.
That Polish fuck's not taking his hit. I don't think he realizes I have a magnifier. I can see him.
Marsha!
He's down. They're getting pretty close. I know. It's weird. What's that?
Yeah,
Oh, no.
if you get hit with power. Right, that's a lot of them falling back now.
Yeah, I've got some in the middle, but not very much. RT's moving out. Right, we're good for now. So that's down. Down. He's down. Yep. He's down. Down. Roll down. Down. Fucking hell, it's too much. Down. Oh, too many. Oh, shit. Yeah. Down. someone coming from this side. Let's see. Try and stay in because you're the medic. I know it's boring. If you die, then you have to walk all the way back. Shit, there's two guys running this side. That didn't hit you, did it?
No.
Okay. Screw it. Down. Down.
This guy running there.
Yeah.
Nice one, nice one. Shit, shit, shit. Yep, it's down. Yeah, you're safe, you're safe. Fuck it! Nice one. It's tiring, isn't it? He's out. He's out. He's out. Okay. Back in. Right there. Down. Cameron, is that side clear? Sorry mate, didn't realise you hit. Gun hit! One grenade down, one grenade there. Yeah. It's gone. There's a guy. Spider web. I don't know where the medic is. Where is he?
Medic! Support! Right! Helen! Come on!
Yellow medic! Thank you. Thank you. Look. I'm not hitting him. Right, suppress. He's hit. Hit.
What the fuck? I use the force to drag you to me.
Thank you.
Come here. 15 max super. There's that much dead people there. Yeah.
Can you not move back? You guys are where? Still in. Are they off the road yet, or are they still there?
Not.
again.